Hello, little stars. It's Bella here. Look what I'm doing. Clap, clap. Clap, clap. Can you clap your hands? Very good. Can you tell me what he's doing? What is he doing? He's clapping. He's clapping his hands. Whoa! Clapping. Very good. Now, can you tell me what she's doing? She's eating. What is she eating? Watermelon. She's eating watermelon. Eating. Can you say eating? Very good. Now, can you tell me what she's doing? She's drinking. What is she drinking? She's drinking milk. Are you feeling thirsty? Yes, if you're feeling thirsty, you can drink some water or juice or milk. Drinking. Can you say drinking? Very good. Now, what is she doing? She's brushing her teeth. Can you pretend to brush your teeth? Very good. Brushing. Brushing teeth. Oh, brushing. Very good. Now, can you tell me what she's doing? She's laughing. Can you say laughing? Very good. Can you laugh? Ha ha ha. Beautiful. She's feeling happy. She's laughing. Laughing. Very good. Now, can you tell me what he's doing? He's feeling sad. He's crying. Wah, wah, wah. Can you pretend to cry? Wah, wah, wah. Crying. He's feeling sad. Crying. Very good. Now, what is he doing? He is swinging on the swing. He's swinging. Can you say swinging? Very good. Now, where do we see the swings? We see swings in the park. Yes, in the playground. Swinging. Very good. Now, can you tell me what he's doing? He's playing on the violin. Playing on violin. Can you say playing? Very good. Playing on violin. He's playing music. Very good. Now, can you tell me what she's doing? She's bouncing a ball. Bouncing. Say bouncing. Very good. Bouncing. Beautiful. Now, what is he doing? He's kicking a ball. He's kicking with his foot. Can you say kicking? Very good. Kicking a ball. Very good. Now, can you tell me what she's doing? She's blowing bubbles. Can you blow? Very good. She's blowing. Blowing. Very good. Now, can you tell me what he's doing? He is walking. Walking. Look. Walking. Can you say walking? Beautiful. Now, can you tell me what he's doing? He's licking ice cream. So yummy. He's licking ice cream. Licking ice cream. Very good. Now what is he doing? He's swimming in the pool. Swimming. Can you say swimming? Very good. Look. Swimming. Beautiful. Now can you tell me what he's doing? He's riding on the bicycle. Riding. Can you say riding? Very good. Riding. Good job. Now what is he doing? He's climbing. He's climbing on the wall. Climbing. Can you say climbing? Very good. Now what is she doing? She's singing. She's singing a song. What song can you sing for us today? Maybe Twinkle Twinkle? Singing. Very good. Now can you tell me what she's doing? She's sitting on the chair. Sitting. The girl is sitting on the chair. Sitting. Can you say sitting? Beautiful. Now, what is she doing? She's hugging. Hugging. She's hugging a teddy bear. Can you get your teddy bear and hug it? Very good. Look, hugging. Say hug. Very good. Now, can you tell me what the baby is doing? Baby is crawling. 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 Good job. Now, can you tell me what this girl is doing? She's painting. She's painting with paintbrush. There is the paintbrush. She's painting a picture. Painting. Beautiful. Now, what is she doing? She's reading. She's reading a book. Can you say reading? Very good. Reading. Good job. Now, what is this girl doing? She's going down the slide. She's sliding. Sliding. Look. Sliding. Very good. What is this boy doing? He's sleeping. I feel so sleepy. Let's go to sleep. Sleeping. Look. Sleeping. Very good. Now, what is she doing? She's waving her hand. Can you wave your hand? Wave. Very good. Waving. Waving. Good job. Now what is she doing? She's catching a ball. catching. Catching. Very good. Now what is she doing? She's jumping. Jumping. Can you stand up and jump? Very good. Jumping. Beautiful. What is he doing? He's cutting. He's cutting with scissors. Cutting. Can you say cutting? Good job. What is she doing? She's talking. She's talking on the phone. Hello. Hello. She's talking.
Oh. No, please, Mama.
Talking.
Mr. Rogers to make me.
Very good. And what is she doing? She's kissing. Kissing. Can you blow a kiss? Kissing. Very good. Can you say kissing? Good job, little stars. Wow, you did so great. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.